Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this bitmap of an ice cream cone and they want to change the color of just the ice cream and not the dots. And you can see I've already done it. And you can even change the color of the dots. Like there's white and it is transparent and there's nothing back there. Well, maybe it is. Maybe it is white. We'll put a yellow box around it. Object order back a page. Yeah, it's a white piece of speckle. So I've already made a copy of it, and for the one I'm doing it for, I made it really little. I've got my nudge factor set on 3, so I want to make a duplicate and move it over. This one did you see it move? Always move it back. This one I'm going to go to trace, outline trace, and clip art. It's going to trace it pretty fast, and what that's going to do, it's going to take away all that, but we don't even need that. So now I'm going to move the trace version over. The easiest way I know to do this is take a rectangle and then take the Smart Fill tool and fill it in, and then fill in that, and then nudge it over back to the other one. Whoop, select both of them, the black box and the ice cream cone, and intersect it. So when you do that, you have a vector graphic with nothing behind it. Now we need to change the color. Now it is a bitmap, right? But this is a trace version. So what we can do is take and go up to object group and ungroup it. And we can take that ice cream lid off and you can see it left behind the sparkles, but we can put the sparkles back. Or we could take this and, well, you don't have to take the color away. I would maybe suggest take the color away, but you can just make it blue and then put it back. And then we're going to go ahead and Control D and make a couple of colors. I just hit the plus key on the keyboard. And we can grab just the blue and let's make it pink. And then you can move these back to the cone. Now it's in the back of the page. You go to Object Order Front of Page, and there you have a strawberry ice cream. And if you want to do the blue, which I don't know why you would do blue, I'm just doing it for the color. I'm going to go ahead and move it all the way over, make this blue, move it over. I already did. And there you go. Now, like I said before, like if you wanted to change the sprinkles, like that's even almost matching. So we could take the pick, sorry about that. We could take the pick tool and click on that little sprinkle and make it blue. Make the white ones, greener than the other ones. You could do anything you want to. I would definitely change the ones that are hard to see when you're going to print it. But there's a blue. Let me get rid of this. So you have a blue and a pink ice cream versus this one. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.